Hi, I'm Stephen Jobe, owner of Jobe and Sons Plumbing, and I've been using Jobber for years. The right tools make all the difference, and that's why over 300,000 service pros like me trust Jobber to run their businesses. If you build it, fix it, maintain it, or clean it, here's how Jobber will help speed up your success. Every part of every job, from first contact and quote to final payment and 5-star review, is tracked and managed in one place. And Jobber moves with you. The top-rated mobile app helps you control every part of your business from anywhere you are, so there's way less paperwork to do at the end of the day. Built-in automations and AI help you respond to customers faster, cutting down on admin tasks, and spotting opportunities for growth without doing everything yourself. Start taking back your time and speed up your success today. You can try Jobber for free or choose the plan that fits best for your business and grows with you.